am Dr. Shadavani, the obstetrician and gynecologist specialized in managing high-risk pregnancy from Yashoda Hospital, Somajiguda. High-risk pregnancy, what does it mean? It means little extra care from normal pregnancy. These women are prone for more or increased number of complications during their pregnancy, both the mother and the baby. So how are we going to reduce these complications? These women, ideally they have to meet their doctor before when they plan pregnancy. Whenever they are met with proper preconceptional care, the results will be better and the outcome will be good to the both mother and the baby. So during pregnancy, what are we going to do whenever the pregnancy is labeled as high-risk pregnancy? These women require more number of antenatal visits. Why? It is because whenever there is a complication arises during their visits, it's so important to modify their treatment accordingly to reduce the risk of complications to the mother and the child. And these women, especially whenever there is a previous history of like chronic hypertension, or mother is diabetic before pregnancy, or mother is having a cardiac condition during their pregnancy or pre-pregnancy, or mother having any kind of autoimmune disorders, or in the previous pregnancies there are recurrent pregnancy losses, or previous pregnancy having preeclampsia, all these conditions should be managed with specialized care and also appropriate medication to reduce the increased number of complications during their pregnancy. And also equally important, they require increased number of fetal growth scans. That is because as on the baby is growing, the development and the growth can be monitored accordingly. You should always discuss the birth plan with your doctor. So there may be a planned cesarean section, or there may be a labor induced at 37 weeks of gestational, so that both mother and the child and the doctor can be prepared with the birth plan before they plan their delivery. And more importantly, you should always, in this pregnancy, for the better outcome, lifestyle changes are equally important. Rest, take adequate rest, and more importantly, have a regular physical activity, but that too as advised by your physician or your doctor, and have balanced diet. More importantly, never underestimate the stress management. You can always manage your stress with your prenatal yoga or meditation or your breathing techniques. This is always important to reduce your stress. And more lastly, strongly discourage the drug abuse.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more health updates.